In Matillion's Data Productivity Cloud Designer, transformation pipelines leverage SQL pushdown technology to cleanse, standardize, and enrich data in the cloud data warehouse through a low-code interface. To begin building a transformation pipeline, simply click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the Pipelines pane and select Add Transformation Pipeline. Give this transformation a meaningful name and click Add. The pipeline opens with a blank canvas and a list of available components specific to building transformation pipelines. The easiest way to begin building a transformation pipeline is to drag a table input component onto the canvas and configure it to a table within your data warehouse. Once this component is valid, I can now sample the data right here in the designer to ensure I am working with the correct dataset. Now, I can continue to build out this pipeline by adding additional components to transform the data, sampling the data at each step to achieve the desired result. Once satisfied, the newly transformed dataset can be written out to a table or view in my cloud data warehouse. And that's it. Just that easily you can build a transformation pipeline with Matillion Data Productivity Cloud.